In today's video, I'll teach you how to install Google Chrome extension on Android. So if you want to use the Google Chrome extension on Android, it is actually very simple. You must already know that Google Chrome does not allow you to download the extension on the Google Chrome application available for Android. One of those browsers is Kiwi browser. So what you have to do is simply open the Kiwi browser on your device. You can install this browser via the Google Play Store. Now initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply type in this link chromewebstore.google.com. Search for it. Now you'll be led to the official Chrome Web Store. From here you'll be able to search for the extensions. At top left corner of your screen you'll be able to find three options. Discover extensions themes. Tap on this option extensions. Now after you do that you'll be able to see various extensions over here. What you can do is simply tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. After you do that, search for the extension that you would like to install. Once you do that, you'll be able to see the results over here. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Now you'll be able to see that particular extension over here. Tap on this option add to Chrome that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. This kind of pop-up will appear. Tap on this option OK. Wait for the installation to be completed. Now you can see over here it has been added to the Chrome. You can simply tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now simply tap on this option extensions. After you do that, you'll be able to see the extension that you've downloaded over here and you'll be able to use it like you used to do in the desktop. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you install Google Chrome extension on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.